In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add B Xtrender in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get this indicator onto your chart so you can start using it right away. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you've opened any chart you want to work with. It can be a stock, crypto pair, forex pair, or any other market. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It usually sits above the chart area along the main toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you'll find all built-in indicators, community scripts, and any tools you've favorited. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can type in the name of the indicator you're looking for. This search feature is really helpful because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and typing the name is much faster than scrolling through long lists. Now, in the search box, carefully type B Xtrender. Make sure you spell it correctly, so the right result shows up. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below and show you matching indicators. When you see B Xtrender appear in the results, simply click on it. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added to your active chart. You should see new lines, signals, or visual elements appear, depending on how B Xtrender is designed. Take a moment to look at your chart and make sure the indicator is visible. If you want to adjust how it looks or how it behaves, you can hover over its name in the chart's legend and click the settings icon. From there, you'll usually be able to tweak colors, styles, and sometimes the calculation parameters so that it fits your trading style and is easy to read. To get the most out of features like this, it's best to be on the TradingView Pro. If you're interested in upgrading or you're not on Pro yet, I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use to sign up. It's a simple way to unlock more tools, more indicators, and a better overall charting experience. And that's all you need to do. Open your chart, click Indicators, use the search box to find B Xtrender, and then apply it to your chart.